Okay, from the Crumpton family, we have Rottweiler meeting. School Rottweiler here, 2 years of age, both of them. Second time meeting, female, first time for the boy. Uh, so you know that pretty soon we'll be having a puppy on the block selling Rottweiler's puppy. Yeah. If you're interested in the puppy, you can call me at 456-4416 or 896-4261. That's 456-4416 or 896-4261. If you're interested in Rottweiler's puppy. Yes, this is at the Crumche Kennel. Also, we have some bully puppies here. We have two up for sale. Yes. And if you're still interested, right? We still have bully puppies on the block here. Bullies for sale. Right. They are females. So if you're interested in bullies, and also too, we have soon on the block Rottweiler puppies for sale as well. If you're interested, you can contact me. Yes, that's me, Dwayne Armsley, owner of Crumchen family. Yeah, from the Crumchen Kennel, the owner. Right. Very good. Thank you for watching.